We know this is a parabola because it's got an x squared, and we know 4 is positive, so we know it opens up. So it's logical that the vertex is the minimum point. And the way you find the vertex, you use the vertex formula, which is x equals negative b over 2 times a. So here a is 4 and b is 24. So that would be negative 24 over 2 times 4, which is 8. So that's going to give you a negative 3. And then you take that x value of negative 3 and you find f of negative 3, which is going to give you your y value. And that's 4 times negative 3 squared plus 24 times a negative 3 plus a 4. So 9 times 4 is 36 minus 72 plus 4. 36 minus 72 is a negative 36 plus 4 is a negative 32. So your minimum value is negative 3, negative 32.